Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Solution Platform. Let us look at a popular central exchange known as Binance. Binance, revolutionizing cryptocurrency trading. 1. Introduction to Binance. Binance is one of the world's largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, providing a platform for trading a wide range of digital assets. Established in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, CZ, Binance has rapidly grown to become a key player in the crypto industry. 2. Key features of Binance. Wide range of cryptocurrencies. Binance supports a vast array of cryptocurrencies, offering users numerous trading pairs. Spot and futures trading. Users can engage in spot trading for immediate transactions and futures trading for speculative trading and hedging. Binance Smart Chain, BSC. Binance launched its own blockchain, BSC, offering faster and cheaper transactions, and supporting decentralized applications, dApps. Binance Coin, BNB. BNB is Binance's native utility token, used for trading fee discounts, participating in token sales, and more. 3. User-friendly interface. Binance provides an intuitive and user-friendly interface suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. The platform offers basic and advanced trading views to cater to different user preferences. 4. Security measures. Binance employs advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect user accounts. The exchange regularly undergoes security audits to ensure the safety of user funds. 5. Binance Launchpad. Binance Launchpad facilitates token sales and initial coin offerings, ICOs, allowing users to participate in new projects. Projects launched on Binance Launchpad undergo a rigorous vetting process. 6. Binance Academy. Binance provides educational resources through Binance Academy, offering guides, articles, and tutorials to help users understand blockchain and cryptocurrency concepts. 7. Staking and savings. Binance allows users to participate in staking activities and earn rewards by holding and locking certain cryptocurrencies. Savings programs enable users to earn interest on their idle digital assets. 8. Binance Ecosystem. Binance has expanded its ecosystem to include various services such as Binance Card, a crypto debit card, Binance Pool for mining, and Binance Research for market insights. 9. Regulation and compliance. Binance adheres to regulatory standards in various jurisdictions and strives to comply with local regulations while maintaining a global presence. 10. Continuous innovation. Binance remains at the forefront of innovation, regularly introducing new features and services to meet the evolving needs of the cryptocurrency community. 11. Challenges. Binance, like other cryptocurrency exchanges, faces challenges related to regulatory scrutiny and compliance as the industry matures. 12. Conclusion. Binance has played a pivotal role in shaping the cryptocurrency landscape, providing a comprehensive platform for users to trade, invest, and participate in the broader blockchain ecosystem. Its commitment to security, innovation, and user education positions Binance as a prominent force in the ever-expanding world of cryptocurrencies.